Wondering if your T-Mobile Wi-Fi is working? Start with the gateway's indicator lights. A solid white or green power light means it's on. For internet connection, look for a blue light indicating a strong 5G signal, amber for 4G, or red for no signal. The Wi-Fi light shows active wireless networks. Next, use the T-Mobile app. Log in to see your signal strength, data usage, and connected devices. The app also has a network status tab for running basic tests. Push notifications alert you to outages. These steps help quickly diagnose connectivity issues. If your lights indicate no signal or the app shows an error, restart your gateway. To confirm your T-Mobile Wi-Fi is delivering the speeds you expect, run a speed test. You can use the built-in tool in the T-Mobile app or a third-party app like Ookla Speed Test or fast.com. Look at the download and upload speeds, latency, and jitter. A good test involves first testing on a wired connection, Ethernet, to see if the Wi-Fi is the issue. Then repeat the tests at different times. As of late 2025, T-Mobile reports average speeds of 150 to 250 Mbps per sec, but congestion can reduce this. If your speed test results are consistently low, contact T-Mobile support.